Once upon a time, there was a crow. Crow was very thirsty. He was looking for water here and there. Then he found one pot, half filled with water. He flew up to that pot, tried to drink the water, but he could not do so. Then some idea clicked his mind. He started throwing pebbles into the water, and that water level raised. He drank that water and flew away. Yeah, this was a thirsty crow story. But there was a problem with how I narrated that story. My pace was very fast and my words were overlapping. And this is not just my problem, but it's with almost all Asians. We speak very, very fast. And somebody who's listening to us for the first time, it is really difficult for them to understand us. So today I'm going to share 2 tips so that your speech will be crystal clear. First is, instead of having long sentences, break those long sentences into smaller ones. Like, once upon a time, there was a crow. Crow was thirsty. He was looking for water here and there. And second tip is, have at least 2 to 3 second pause after each sentence. Yeah. Now I'm going to narrate the same story and check how the entire narration changes. Once upon a time, there was a crow. That crow was thirsty. He was looking for a water here and there. Then he found one pot, half filled with water. He flew up to that pot, tried to drink the water, but he could not do so. So one idea clicked his mind. He started throwing pebbles into the pot. Water level raised. He drank that water and flew away. Pause and making sentences smaller helps a lot. Try this.